today is Taliyah's birthday. But that's another reason why I got me a snack, because y'all know I be hungry, and yeah. Look at you, girl.
Work.
You going to work? You stuck on it.
Look.
All right, girl. You back? Okay.
You like the toy?
Yeah. Oh, you hugging mommy and daddy, girl? This one?
One more time.
Taliyah. Say, hey, it's my birthday.
Hey, it's birthday.
Say, I'm 3 today.
I'm 3 today.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rain B if you are new, and welcome to another vlog. So today is Taliyah's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Taliyah. Happy birthday to you. Mommy loves you. You blowing out your candles. Open your present. You like it? Okay, y'all. So we about to head out. Today is April 4th, Taliyah girl's birthday. We're hanging out today. It's gonna be me, her, and her dad. We're gonna go first to Build-A-Bear. Come on, Taliyah. We're gonna go first to Build-A-Bear. Then we're gonna take her out to get her favorite food, which is pasta. We're probably just gonna go to Olive Garden because, child, I don't know where else to go. So that's where we about to go, to Olive Garden. And mommy can always use some salad. So we're about to go do that. And then after we eat, I'll probably take her to like Five Below, because she's going to get like her presents on Sunday. But her dad had something big for her, so we're going to go let her enjoy that today. And then that's going to be all. I do need to go get me another memory card, because this memory card, I guess after a while, memory cards start to lose their memory or something. I don't know, because it's saying it's only an hour left on this memory card, and I cleared it off. So I need to get a memory card, child. I'm going to try to get one that has way more memory, so it doesn't go out right away or run out really fast or whatever. So I'll probably do that before we get to her dad. This light is messing with my gimbal. We might do that before we go get her. Go pick up her dad, or I'll do that afterwards. So let's go. I'm gonna catch y'all in the car because I got a lot of things in my hand. We about to go get him. All right, y'all. So it's 12:30. We about to go get her dad. I told him we'll be there at 1. I did not want to drive, but that's another story, and we'll get into that in another vlog. But yeah, so we're going to go get him, and I already told her where we're going. I think I do want to go get a memory card though, even though that is not in my budget. But I'm a vlog with no memory, so we about to run probably, I don't know, where should I go? I really do not want to go on Walmart, child. Where can we go to get a memory card? I probably am going to have to go on Walmart, because if I don't go on Walmart, I have to go on Target. If I don't go on Target, I have to go on Best Buy. But I feel like I would rather go on Best Buy, because I'm going to Walmart. I'll see y'all in Walmart. Alright, y'all, so we went in Walmart, but they did not have the SanDisk memory cards, well, SD cards. They only had like some weird brand that I don't know what it was. So we're just going to get one later on. It's an hour left on here. So hopefully I'll be able to record today and not have any issues. If I see that I'm running into issues, I'll just stop and go get a SD card real quick. Or I'll just vlog from my phone. Because I'm not too good to vlog from my phone now. So we'll probably just do that if I don't have time to get one while we're out. But I just want to give y'all an update. I got me a little snack because I'm starving. I got me this little adult lunchable, I call it. It's Genoa salami with cheddar cheese and toasted rounds, which is like the little bagel chips. And then I got me an Alani. I got me a blue/Alani to drink to give me a little pep in my step. But that's it. That's all. I'll catch y'all once we get to her dad's house. I think we changed the plans a little bit. He wants to show her what he got her first before we go out anywhere, so that's fine. But that's another reason why I got me a snack, because y'all know I be hungry. And yeah, so that's it. I'll catch y'all once we're doing something fun. All right, girl. Ready to see your present?
You ready? Look.
Hold on. Oh. Look what you got. Do you like it? Isn't it cool? You got a car, girl. You can drive mommy to the store.
Can't be dead. I'll turn it on.
What happened?
Is it light on in the front?
I think so.
Oh, there
You gonna drive? Oh my goodness, girl.
This is bad. This is bad.
A bad what?
Yeah, it must be dead. I charged it and I left it there.
Maybe she's just not pressing it hard enough.
No, that's me.
Oh, you controlling it?
Oh, there it is. A little power. Turn.
Look at you driving, girl.
I left it on.
Did you take it off the charger, or you just left it like on? Maybe that's why. Maybe you gotta stay on there. Look at you, girl.
Hold on. I gotta take a picture first.
You was too cute. I gotta get one too.
Take one over on this side. Look at me. Look at your daddy. Cliff. Come on, look at daddy. Why you don't look at me? Why you always looking? Oh, you want to get back? All right, go ahead, get back in there. Work.
You going to work?
All right, well, excuse me.
You going to work? Where you work?
All right, then, go to work then.
All right, have a good day.
Hit the other button. The up button, the other one.
Have a good day at
The other
work.
one. No, the other one, yeah. Go up. No, no, the other one. No, the other one. The top one. Yeah, the top. No.
How you don't know how to work your new car?
This way.
All right, have a good day at work. Love you. Bye.
Pull up on your mommy. Mommy, get in.
Hey, girl, you coming to pick me up? All right, go to Ulta. You gonna take me to Ulta?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get some lip gloss. All right. Never mind. Come back and get me. Bye. See you later. Where you going? Oh my goodness, she done ran over Daddy's foot. You back? Uh-oh, girl. Put your car in park, girl. You back? Where you was at? All right, girl. You back? Okay.
You like the toy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you hugging mommy and daddy, girl? You like that, huh? Daddy got it for you. You gotta give daddy all the kisses. Girl lips.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness. You stuck on it.
Pull. 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 Woo,
How you drive up there?
Okay, now get back in.
How cute is that? You ready? Come on, girl. Let's go inside. Hi. Good. It's her birthday, so we're gonna do the birthday bear. Yeah. Say thank you. She talking to you, girl. Come on, let's go get your bear.
This is my birthday bear. It says happy birthday, okay? And it's gonna be $3 when she turns 3.
Okay.
Whatever you want to add on to that, you can add sounds, voice, you can have scents and heartbeats, all that will be added to the price of the bear.
Okay. Say Taliyah. Taliyah.
You want a birthday sticker?
You gotta stick it on your shirt. Do you want to? Okay, we can do that.
What we gonna do?
We'll do a sound.
A sound you want to hear? You can record your own voice.
Yeah.
We have some birthday stuff on here.
We can record our own.
Alright, so it's already on record. It's 10 seconds on here to say what you like. You just gotta make sure you're holding down this button the whole time you're talking, okay?
Okay.
I do recommend go to that corner over there so
Yeah.
make sure you're not in the back.
Come on, Taliyah, let's go.
I'll leave the bear right here.
Okay. Mommy and Daddy loves you. Happy birthday.
Mommy and Daddy love you. Happy birthday.
Like that.
Love you.
Happy birthday. I mean, Eddie loves you. Happy birthday.
Okay. Go with her. Go. We're going to stuff your bear.
Do you guys want to add any scents inside so it can smell all nice?
No.
Okay. Almost ready. Alright, yep. You want to step right there?
Step on there.
Okay.
You're stuffing your bear.
So good. Okay.
You like it?
Got a heart right over here.
They got a heart for your bear. Got it?
You want to give your heart a kiss?
Give it a kissy.
Give that one a kiss.
Give the heart a kissy. The heart. Kiss the heart.
Good
Mwah.
job. Yeah. Okay.
Go to her.
Do you want to put your heart right inside your bear and like that? Right there. You gotta push it in.
Push it in. You got it? Put it in. Yeah, good girl.
Okay, good job. I'm gonna sew it up, okay? And this is for you too. You're really good.
Did you mess it up? There you go. Yay, now we gotta get her some clothes or get him some clothes, okay? Yeah, come on, let's go pick out some clothes. It's a girl? You want her to wear that? Do you see anything you like, girl? This one? Huh? You want to keep the hanger? Sure. We can use it for something. Bless you, baby. Wait, she's dressing up. You're not getting it. You got two things in the chair. So we're gonna pay for the chairs separate, but everything else.
This?
You gonna blow dry her hair? Who you talking to on the phone? gonna vlog? Look.
Oh, the cat.
Eat your food.
Touch it. Touch
Okay, that's enough. Let mommy have this. Okay, eat it with the fork.
it.
Thank you. It's good?
Good. Yeah. Good. Good. Good.
You gonna share with daddy? Good water.
One more time.
Say, hey, it's my birthday. Say, I'm 3 today.
That's weird.
Why is that weird? It's weird that you're 3. You can't believe it. It's going by fast, huh? You got some water. Tell them you got some shrimp linguine on the way. It's gonna be good, ain't it? Don't touch mommy's salad. I'm trying to wait for my other food to come. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
You said it's good. What did you get? You only got one kind of shrimp?
No, 2 different. One's for both. Look at her.
You dancing? Huh?
There's an egg.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me.
They're gonna bring us some more fries, okay?
Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly
gonna eat your
across the
noodles?
sunset sky. I
Here,
feel
try
like
it.
you did it for me. It's
Look
the
at these
way
good old
I
noodles. You
feel.
know you
It's
like
the way
noodles.
that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let
Well, we gonna take them home. You can eat them
I'm
later.
looking for a
Okay.
new season. I feel like you did it for
Okay.
me. Yeah. Listen to the water. Listen how it flows. You really thought of everything. I wonder how much
Hey girl, it is the next day. Today is Saturday the 5th. I have to come on here and end the vlog a little early because the plans that we had for tomorrow for my daughter for like her little birthday dinner, we're no longer going to be able to do it because I'm dealing with the family situation right now. So we're going to have to hold off on those festives
And this vlog was just supposed to be about Taliyah. So I'm not going to be vlogging anymore today or tomorrow for this vlog. So I'm going to go ahead and end it. We're still going to do something for her, but it's going to take place on Easter weekend, which is next weekend, and that was going to be its own vlog. So I'll just incorporate that into the Easter vlog so that I can go ahead and get this vlog edited and get it up for next week. So like I said, this one got me here in the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a like, leave me a sweet comment down below, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already, girl. I promise you will love it here. Also follow me on all my social medias. I'll have them in the description box down below, and don't forget to check out my Bendable page as well, girl. Please remember that Jesus loves you, and so do I, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.